Have you ever felt that nothing you do is enough? You study, you work, you try to be good, but in your heart, there is a voice whispering, not good enough. Not perfect. That voice steals your energy. It makes you afraid to try because you fear mistakes more than you love growth. Perfection feels like a heavy chain. It tells you to wait until you are stronger, richer, smarter, or better before you act. And while you wait for the perfect time, life passes by. Dreams fade. Opportunities disappear. You remain stuck, not because you cannot move, but because perfection holds you still. But here is the truth: life is not about perfection. Life is about progress. It is about moving forward, even with small, broken steps. It is about trying again after failure. It is about learning, not pretending you already know everything. Perfection is a trap. Progress is freedom. The moment you stop chasing perfection, you begin to live. Perfection makes failure look like death. It convinces you that if you make one mistake, everything is lost. But failure is not the end. Failure is the soil where strength grows. Think of a seed. To become a tree, it must break apart first. The breaking point is not its death, it is its beginning. The same is true for you. When you fall, it is not proof of weakness. It is proof that you are trying, that you are alive, that you are learning how to rise. Your scars are not signs of shame. They are your medals of survival. They show that life pushed you down, but you stood up again. Every strong person you admire has fallen many times. The difference is, they kept walking. Do not let the fear of falling stop you. Falling is part of the road. What matters is the choice to rise, again and again. That is progress. That is power. We dream of big achievements, success, freedom, happiness. But big things are built from small steps. Progress is not one giant leap, it is many small moves, repeated daily. Drinking more water. Waking up early. Walking for 10 minutes. Writing one page. Saying thank you. These may look small, almost invisible. But over time, they shape who you are. Small choices become habits. Habits become strength. Strength becomes transformation. The beauty of small steps is that they are possible today. You do not need the perfect plan or the perfect moment. You only need to begin. Even if it feels slow, even if no one notices, keep moving. Because when you look back, you will see how far you have come. Do not underestimate the small. It is the small that builds the great. Perfection is pressure. It makes you carry the weight of people's opinions. It makes you hide your true self because you fear judgment. But the day you let go of perfection, you breathe again. You feel light. You feel free. Progress is freedom. It tells you, you do not need to be the best, you only need to be better than yesterday. You do not need to win every race, you only need to keep running your own. You do not need to impress everyone, you only need to grow into who you were meant to be. When you stop demanding perfection from yourself, You begin to enjoy the journey. You laugh more. You try more. You live more. The chains break and the road opens. Perfection is about control. Progress is about courage. Choose courage. Choose freedom. Look back at your life. Every time you thought you could not go on, you did. Every time you felt broken, you healed. Every time you believed you were weak, you later discovered strength. This is not perfection. This is progress. Progress is not loud, but it is powerful. It teaches patience, resilience, and hope. It reminds you that the person you are becoming matters more than the mistakes you left behind. So, walk forward. Celebrate your small victories. Embrace your scars. Release the need to be perfect. You do not need perfection to live fully. You only need progress. Remember, you are not defined by what you lack. You are defined by how far you have come and how bravely you keep moving. Perfection is an illusion. Progress is real. And progress, step by step, will carry you to the life you dream of.